All right, here we go. Remember, you're only going to get out of this what you put in. So let's work hard today. You give me everything you got, and the results are going to be amazing. Believe it. All right, let's go. Okay, alternating forward lunge with chop. Let's do 25 seconds. You ready? Let's begin. Seconds. We're finished. Moving on to plank ups. Go for 25 seconds. Okay, let's go. Seconds. Good, deep breath. Moving on. All right, side plank pops, left side. Go for 25 seconds. Okay, start now. Make sure to engage your obliques. 15 seconds. Terrific. Let's move on. All right, lateral burpees. Go for 25 seconds. And go. Seconds. We're finished. Now, hollow man hold. Go for 25 seconds. Start now. Seconds. Now we gotta revisit the top and finish the circuit. Now, alternating forward lunge with chop. Let's go for 25 seconds. Let's begin. Seconds. Let's move on to the next exercise. Time for plank ups. 25 seconds, let's go. Here we go. Make sure to lower down one forearm at a time. 15 seconds. Excellent. Next one. All right, side plank pops, right side. I want you to go for 25 seconds. Okay, let's go. Engage those obliques. "15 seconds. Good, deep breath. Moving on. All right, lateral burpees. Go for 25 seconds. Okay, start now. Land softly and lower immediately back into your burpee. 15 seconds. And done. Let's move on. Now, hollow man hold. You just need to do 25 seconds. All right, rock and roll. Keep your chin off your chest. Seconds. Excellent effort. That's what matters. It's focused and concentrated efforts like this that are going to give you the results you want. So keep up the great work, and I will catch you next time.